Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a very quick honest review about this powerful AI website called Pushowl. Pushowl help your Shopify store make more sales. It does this with notification message, which has small text that appears on a computer or a phone. This message brings people back to your site. You can tell them about sales, or you can remind them about your items left in their cart. Pushowl make it easy to get more subscribers. It has a simple integration with Shopify. It helps you boost your conversion rate and all other important. Basically, it's a tools that help you gain more customers. So talking about the features about this AI website, Pushup has some cool features. These features help you sell more. They also help you talk to your customers better. Let's look at some of the best features on this platform, which is one of these is a reliable automation with customizable email and SMS campaign together with a popular integration. So that's it. We're talking about the pricing plan of this platform. They have a different type of pricing plan. They have the basic bundle, they have the plus bundle, and they also have power bundle. So if you want more information about this, you can simply go to the website just to get more information about their pricing plan, and that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this website called Pushowl. Thank you.